So in this video, we're going to be solving the second and the last part of the 2017 questions of mathematics on the topic which we have covered so far. Okay, now this question is a polynomial question and it's a very familiar question to one we have solved in the previous videos. So if you haven't watched any of those videos and you don't see how to solve this particular problem, I will leave the link in the description. I will just jump straight into the second part of the question, and I'd like to show you again the last part, which is question number 10, Roman 1, which also asks about the partial fraction. So you can as well try this one and leave your answers in the comment section. So I'll be solving only one problem, which is actually a fraction, and you're asked to simplify. Now, again, I would like to tell you something. For this particular problem here, I will solve it and get it into partial fraction, and I will partial fraction it again for you to see exactly that this method is true. Okay, so without any further ado, so we have 5 on x plus 2 minus 7 divided by 2x plus 3. So what do we do here? What we're going to do is very simple. So actually we're going to do a current LCM. Okay, now if you don't know how to carry LCM, which I guess you usually know, but let me just explain it to you. Okay, so in the denominator here, the product of the respective denominator of each fraction, you're going to take the product of it, and that's going to give you x plus 2 to x plus 3. Okay, now we take this and divide by each fraction. Okay, so we divide this by this fraction here, we're going to be left with 2x plus 3, and then we'll multiply by the 5 into 2x plus 3 minus 7 into x plus 2. Okay, so simplifying this, we're going to be having equal to 10x plus 15 minus 7 minus 14 divided by x plus 2 to x plus 3. This is equal to, sorry, here is 7x, so we're going to have 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 to x plus 3. Okay, so this is the fraction. Now let me partial fraction this, or you can still try it at home, but I would like to solve it since it has also been long since we haven't solved this particular fraction. We're going to have 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 into 2x plus 3 a on x plus 2 plus b on 2x plus 3. Okay, now if we multiply like with normal method of solving partial fraction, we multiply here by these denominators and multiply this side by these denominators, we're going to have 3x plus 1 a 2x plus 3 plus b x plus 2. Okay, and now after you have opened the brackets, we'll see have 3x plus 1 2ax plus 3a plus bx plus 2b. So now forming the linear equation with the like terms that is taken for each coefficient of x and the constant, or in case we had coefficient of x squared, we're going to have 2a plus b equal to 3. Then a 3a plus 2b equal to 1. The best way to solve this will be by multiplying one equation in a way that we can easily eliminate it. So we're going to solve this by elimination method. Now, I will choose to eliminate b first, so I will have to multiply this equation by 2, and then I will subtract. So we're going to have 4a plus 2b equal to a 6. So carrying the subtraction here, I'm going to have minus a equal to minus 5, and this implies that a is equal to 5. So we now substitute the values a in any of this equation. So I'll choose substitution here in equation 1. If I substitute in equation 1, b will be equal to 3 minus 2 to the a, which is equal to 3 minus 10, imply that b is equal to negative 7. So you see, we got back to the initial values. It's just left for you to substitute a and b here, and you get the same thing. Okay, that's all. See you in the